The pencast is being able to record my thoughts, both on paper and by voice, and sending it home with the kids. If we're doing a classroom activity in which they're working individually, I can kind of have a set of instructions on the board and just kind of loop it over and over and over again. So that way, while I go around and tend to kids individually, the kids who might need help when I'm not able to help them can watch and hear me up on the board, kind of explain the process.
The pencast is really cool. It's easy to access, and then it helps you a lot better than just reading directions, I guess, on a paper.
Mr. Galime uses it for a review, and if we're having trouble, he'll use the pencast to go over the subject.
Mostly I use it for homework. Whenever I assign homework to kids, I'll do 3 problems from every homework assignment, going through the process, showing them my work, saying all the steps, and getting them 3 answers so that hopefully they can take those 3 answers and finish the rest of their homework on their own.
So our smallest 60 is going to be 61, so I'll cross that off and I'll put a 1 over here. Our next smallest is 63. Then we have a 64.
He has more time at home to learn the subject, and the pencast allows him to do that. And because of that, his grade has gone up in the math class.
When we didn't have pencast, I would not get my work. And now that we have it, he shows examples and I get it more.
Every kid learns at a different pace, so it's perfect. They can go home and do it as many times as they want, or just one more time to check their answers.
There's less money out of my pocket for an extra tutor, but not only that, but it benefits the kid because students want to learn. My son wants to learn. When he has an environment like that where he can go into his own room, his own computer, and listen to his teacher, which is very personable.
They want it now. So if they can log in and find homework help now, and they know I'm helping them with their homework, I think that might be what draws them in.
It's kind of like having the classroom on your computer, because instead of just reading it, I guess, he's actually talking to you and explaining it.
Being able to recollect what happened in the classroom, all that comes into play with the pen, then it makes it a part of the wholesome learning environment.
So for radius, I'll fill in 2.5 squared. Bring down the height, 6.5.
The harder the homework assignment, the more I see it kind of change the culture, because that's where some kids that might not be able to complete the homework assignment on their own might go on there and check it out, and then they come in the next day and they'll say, Mr. Galime, I went on your pencast, and I did the homework, and that's when I see it. Those usually are my returning customers, because they get how it helps, and it has helped them. So that's why I hope they kind of get other students to do the same thing.